In this video, I will show you how to clone my voice with Play.ht. So to get started, go ahead and open Play.ht on your browser, and then in here, go ahead and create a new file. Now in this new file, you can go ahead and change the voice of the AI in here. So as you can see, there are this available voices, and in the clone section, you'll be able to find your cloned voices. So there is no voice cloning section anymore on Play.ht, but you can still clone your voice by clicking on that generate speech at the top right beside the field section. So once you have generated the voice of the AI with your script, you'll be able to simply click on this generate with your own voice beside the regenerate button above the AI generated audio. So simply click on that and then go ahead and record your own voice with the script that you have provided for Play.ht, and that's basically how you can clone my voice with Play.ht.